That's the one cool thing about that there gulp rig is I'm ready to go get some bluefish now. So we'll see. Oh wait, oh, that is a big topwater. There we go. Because I can switch right over for the bluefish. Oh, he got away. It's a little bit bigger of a topwater for this size bluefish, but that's okay. So I'm going to finish off with the Atom. That's the bigger, that's the 2-ounce Atom. Those bluefish are close in now, so we'll see if we get one. Oh, I think they're right in front here. Definitely a smaller topwater. You'll connect with. See, there's one chasing it now. Another one. Got a, there we go. A single rear hook, barbless. But a smaller popper, you're gonna get more fish. You're just gonna connect more. I got the big one. If something big takes, then we'll be better off. And we are catching it, so it's no big deal. They are dense. Something like this, definitely have fun. The topwater. I'm wearing waders. It's cold out. It was raining earlier, so I put on my waders. Just watch out for the top hook. And you got him. It's a fun evening working the Atom popper. That's a 2-ounce Atom popper for bluefish. Wow, they're in like fly rodding zone. We're gonna see that splash. Just probably come right up to it. Let's see. See one and then another follow. Ooh, that was a big splash. There we go. There he goes. There we go. Usually they get, you got one on, there's just 2, 3 others right behind them anyway. So if you don't get the one, you'll get the other. I don't think there's going to be any big ones mixed in. Now we're like hot on it. Did fluking with the gulp, waited for those birds, and they pushed in, and now we got them on the Atom popper, the big Atom popper. This is the 2-ounce one, and it's 5 inches. Let's get him in. Wow. Want to get off on your own? Whoa! Let's see. Straight out. Short of the bird. And that's just going to get their attention. There we go. We're doing just fine with this Atom. Wow. Ooh, took a little drag. Gotta be a big one in there. I'm sure there's bass mixed in. Probably eating those bluefish. Incredible. Whoa, that was a nice jump. I should take off that top hook. He's a little bigger than the other guys, you know? Whoa! Where, how is he? Oh, he's on the top hook. Yeah, well, I'm going to clip that off. That's why. Yep. Oh boy. He took the plain old hook. He ate it. He went for the hook. There was nothing on that. Let's see, it's black too. just exciting. Alright, bud. So I'm gonna take that hook off. It's about as close as I think they're gonna get tonight. Let's see if we can get a shot. Oh wait. Oh right. Oh, there we go. This is fun fishing now. So waiting for this all day, and kept busy with the fluke and some bluefish popped in. I'm working with a big popper too. This is the bigger Adam. I think it's a 2 ounce. I like the 1.5 ounce. 1.25 ounce Adam would be better. Those birds are close now. So I'm gonna finish off the day with some bluefish, maybe some striped bass, and gonna finished off with the fluke. See that popping now. Like I said, it is a bigger pop, bigger top water. No big deal. Just looking to get a few. They are dense out there. Oh, let's see if we get another couple fish. I think so. Oh, they're in now. So got the Adam popper working, a 5 ounce, 2 ounce. I'm lucky I didn't lose it, so I took it off that top hook. I don't want to lose my top water. Oh, he went right for that. One right behind it. There we go. Oh, is he on? Yeah, he's on. Wow, this is just intense now. Ooh, all right, he got off. Look at them in close. They are. There we go. Oh, a little more drag. It's just the top water is just a fun way to catch blue. Probably yeah, I would say it's one of the best ways to catch bluefish. You know, up on your own. We'll do it for you. Do it for you. There it is. Yeah, those birds are way out there now. It was raining earlier. It's colder out. It's cooler out, that's for sure. So put on the waders, and it's a great time to put on your waders before fall to make sure there's any leaks or not, because you're not going to be too cold if they are leaking. And just a great day. Messed around with the fluke a bit until waited for those blues to pop in, and then had a bunch of blues topwater style. Looked like they pushed out, but might push back in. Anyway, thanks for watching. Right there. Right there.